Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are doing a pack with me for a 16-hour road trip with a 5-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old, and also our 5-month-old puppy.
I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed. Burning temptation, I just cannot hide it.
The way I like to pack the clothes is by preparing each outfit every day for each little one. Each of them has their own bags with their name on it that includes their whole outfit for the day as well as hair accessories. This just makes morning so much easier, especially if grandma is dressing them or their dad or me, or my oldest one's old enough where she'll just pick her own bag and dress herself. But this makes morning routines so much easier when you're on the road and traveling. Okay, so here's a close-up of how it's looking. Each little one has hair accessories, hair tie, socks, panties. For my littlest one, she has a diaper in hers. It just makes things so much easier in the mornings. I do reuse these bags so that they don't go to waste, but it just makes things, like I said, a lot more easier.
The way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right, wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
I'm going to be adding some toiletry items to the bags for the girls. So we have like rinse cups, floss, their toothbrushes, their toothpaste, a brush, a comb, their detangler spray, their medicine, anything that I may need on this trip. I am going to be visiting my mom in Colorado, but for the most part, I just want to have everything so I'm not running to a store. but I'm just gonna add some things that we may need even on the road. You never know. So I'm packing a thermometer, a syringe, a cup, some Motrin, some Tylenol for just in case moments. I'm also adding some lotion, some creams, and I like to keep this in this little bag. I think it's so cute. I got this when my first daughter was a baby, and I've had it ever since, and I've just kept it. It came in like a kit on Amazon for like newborns, and I just thought it was so cute. I'm going to be adding some lotion, some resinol cream, and this is a really good diaper cream if your kid has sensitive skin or gets like a diaper rash. Always check with your doctor though before using anything with your little one, but I love this. It's really good. And I'm also bringing a little Band-Aid kit. We get these from Amazon and they're so awesome. They have so many Band-Aids. Just gonna throw that in there because you never know, you may need one. So we're gonna get this bag kind of stored up. I was pretty impressed with how much I was able to fit in here. I didn't expect to fit all the girls in this bag, but hey, they all fit. I'm also gonna be throwing in their jackets, some sweaters. It is cold in Colorado still, and I couldn't believe it, but we're gonna tie up this bag. And I got this luggage from Target. It's super cute and the girls love it. Does anyone else have to make the list or they'll forget it? If I don't make a list, I feel like I always forget something. We're just too big of a family and the girls are all so little that I just feel like I will forget if I don't have a list. And before we leave, I always refer to this list because it has everything that I know that we need for this trip. So definitely make a list if you're like me. It really does help so much. Next, we're going to move it on to like my items, toiletries, makeup, just things that I'm going to pack for myself. I want to share how I do that. I'm going to be using this little compartment for all my eye care, contacts, contact case, my glasses. I'm also going to be packing my makeup and just like travel shampoos and conditioners. I know my mom has all that stuff that I could use at her home, but I just kind of wanted to bring my own things. I don't want to use all of her stuff, even though I know she has things ready for me. I just want to make sure I have things as well. I'm going to be putting all my travel makeup. So I have this really cute makeup brush thing. I'm going to be putting all my tools and all my little micro makeup stuff. If you go to Ulta or Sephora, they have like these little sections at checkout where they sell miniature versions of stuff, and sometimes you get that in sample makeup packs. So these are some things I've had left over, but this is how I pack my bags. So this bag right here is going to have all my makeup stuff, and it's as small as I could get it and everything that I could fit. So this little compartment has all the tools, lippies, and like just brushes and my beauty blender. And the other compartments, I have the makeup supplies. This makes it a lot easier, especially because it doesn't make the bag dirty if you keep it in compartments. I'm also using this e.l.f. primer. It's pretty good. It's not the best, but I like it so far for the price. And I've been using this Rare Beauty setting spray. It's like a prep spray. You can use it like in between makeup, before makeup, after makeup, and I love it. It's so refreshing. But here's my little makeup kit that I'm going to bring. It's just the essentials. This really cute container I found at TJ Maxx. It's sold in like a beauty blender pack, and I just thought it would be so cute for makeup because you can wipe it down and it would stay clean. Next, this is my toiletry bag. So we have everything from deodorant, Q-tips, makeup remover, Dove bar soap, some shampoo, conditioner, some hair clips, a scrunchie, some gel, just kind of like the basic essentials, my toothbrush, clippies, all that little good stuff that you need when you're traveling and on the road. I want to share this travel collapsible potty that I got off Amazon that I'm going to be bringing on our trip. It comes with these bags that you can reuse, and you just put the little lid on there and it holds it so your little one can go potty if you're not near a restroom. This holds up to, I think, 60 to 80 pounds, which is super impressive. But I like it because it's easy to store and just put away, and you can use it if you need it. So I'm happy we found this. For this long trip, I decided not to bring my diaper bag. I decided to go with this diaper caddy that we have at home. One side is going to be extra outfits for the drive in case there's any explosions, spills, accidents. I have no idea. I just wanted to be prepared. I have some pull-ups, some diapers, and I also have some wipies and this little like diaper placemat thing where you lay your little one on, and it's really extra jumbo size, which I love. And I have extra pairs of socks, some baggies for poop if Loki has to go poop, or if the girls have, a dirty diaper. But I opted with this because we needed something open and we can get to quickly. With a long road trip, you just kind of want to have everything at hand's reach, if that makes sense. And so that's what I did, and it worked out with wonders. Next, I'm going to be packing all of Loki's food, vitamins, and just preparing his bag. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that right now.
To be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. Be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
For our puppy's weight and age right now, he only gets 1 vitamin a day, so I decided to put all the morning feedings with an M on the bag with the vitamin in it. The vitamin oil that I give Loki, I decided to put in a separate bag and just take the whole container. I didn't want it to get the food not good. I don't know if it could sit in there for so long. I don't know. So I just decided to take the whole bottle itself, and this is how I'm packing for his food. I also have a travel water, a travel bowl, his leash, his treats, and a couple other things that I'm going to be taking for our trip.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you soon in a new one. Bye!
Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down?